Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down and tap on Vibration and Haptics. Now click on the gray sweater next to Use Vibration and Haptics to activate them. And then scroll all the way down. If those options are still disabled, go back, swipe up, and disable silent mode by operating ring and notification volume slider. Then go back to the same settings. Now you can manage all of them thanks to proper sweaters. This way you can turn on or off ring vibration, vibrate first, then ring gradually, notification, alarm, and even touch and media haptic feedback. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and click on those two sweaters next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!